There is a math rule that HCF and LCM of the numbers when multiplied together is always equal to the product of those numbers. But is this result true always? Does it work for each and every set of numbers? Let's test it with two numbers and then with the three numbers. So 12 and 18. First, I will find the prime factorization of 12, which is equal to 2 times 2 times 3, because we know that 2 times 2 is 4 and 4 times 3 is 12. Now, this can be written as 2 square times 3. What about 18? 18 is equal to 2 times 3 times 3. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 3 is 18, which will give me 2 times 3 square. Now for the HCF, I am going to take the product of all the common prime factors, means 2 and 3, and then with their least power. What is the least power of 2 out of these two? Of course, 2 to the power of 1. And what about 3? Same. So the HCF comes out to be 6. And what about the LCM? We take the product of all the prime factors, which are 2 and 3, but with their greatest powers. So the greatest power of 2 is 2 and the greatest power of 3 is 2. This gives me 2 square 4, 3 square 9, and 4 times 9 is 36. Now let's check the result. What is the product of HCF and LCM? It's equal to 6 times 36, which is equal to 216. And what is the product of the numbers? 12 times 18 is also equal to 216. So can I say that HCF and LCM of both 12 and 18 is equal to the product of 12 and 18. So is this result true in this case? Yes, it is true in the case when we have two numbers. Now let us see if the same rule works perfectly in case we have three numbers. So first we will write their prime factorization. So 18 is 2 times 3 times 3. So 2 times 3 6 times 3 18, and in exponential notation it will become 2 times 3 square. 24. 24 is 2 times 2 4, 4 times 2 8, 8 times 3 24. In the exponential notation it will become 2 cube times 3, of course 1. And for 30, it will be 2 times 3, 6, 6 times 5, 30. And in exponential notation, it will be just 2 to the power of 1, 3 to the power of 1, and 5 to the power of 1. Now for HCF, I will take the product of all the common prime factors. So which are the common prime factors? 2 is present in all 3, 3 is present in all 3, but not 5. So it is 2, 3, but with their least power. So the least power of 2 is 1 and the least power of 3 is 1. So the HCF comes out to be 6. For LCM, we will take the product of all the prime factors 2, 3, 5, but with their greatest powers. So in case of 2, the greater power is 3. In case of 3, the greater power is 2. And for 5, it is just 1. So 2 cube is 8, 3 square is 9 times 5. And when you multiply all these 3, you will get 360. Now let's check about the result. HCF times LCM will give me 6 times 360, which is equal to 2160. But when I multiply all these three numbers, 18 times 24 times 30, my answer is 12,960. So is HCF times LCM is equal to the product of numbers? No. So in this case, we can say that HCF times LCM is not equal to the product of the three numbers which are given to us. All right. So you can say that this result, that HCF times LCM is equal to the product of numbers, works perfectly for two numbers, 12 and 18 in this case we saw, but it does not work when we have three numbers. All right, that's all. Bye bye, see you tomorrow.